Well, here we are looking at another object here, and it's a sphere. So go ahead and draw this picture into your toolkit. We have a picture of a sphere here, and really all a sphere is, think of a baseball or a basketball, or think of the Earth, something like that. So we have a radius on that, and there's two formulas. We have one for volume, we have one for surface area here. For volume, it's 4/3 times pi times the radius cubed, so that's to the third power there. And surface area is 4 times pi times the radius squared. All right? So what we're going to do right now is we're going to find the volume and the surface area of a sphere if the radius is 6 inches. So I'm going to write the radius right over here is 6. Okay? So let's do the volume first. The volume would be 4/3 times pi times the radius, which is 6, cubed. All right? So 6 cubed, by the way, is 216. So if you took 4/3 times pi times 216, you wind up, when you take 216 times 4/3, you wind up with 288. So it's 288 pi, and that would be centimeters cubed. And if you took 288 and you actually multiplied it by pi, you would get 904, so it would be approximately 904.78 if you were to round off here. And I'm sorry, it's actually inches. So it should be inches here. My bad on that up here. I'm going to go ahead and erase this here. We were talking about inches earlier here in the problem, so actually that should be inches cubed. All right, so that's how you find the volume. And the surface area is, according to the formula here, 4 times pi. So I'm going to go 4 times pi times our radius, which is 6, squared. That's 4 times 6 squared, so that's 4 times 36, and as it turns out, 4 times 36 will give you 144. So it's 144 pi, and that'll be inches squared. And if you took 144 and you multiplied it by pi, you'd wind up with 452.39. So it's approximately 452.39 inches squared. So those are your formulas: volume, surface area of a sphere. Enjoy.